Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So I would like to make another update, guys, on the high dollar cryptocurrency, because I made an update last week. I told you guys that we will push higher. We are right now pushing higher. So let's check everything again. What is this cryptocurrency? Why I do believe in this project, and what are the price targets? Let's get into it. Alright, so very quickly we start with the technicals, guys. So this is the information I get from PancakeSwap. I'm gonna show you in this video very quickly how to access PancakeSwap and how to buy high dollars there. We can see that since I made the video, which was last week, around 80 here, we pushed higher. We almost doubled, guys, since last week, because we can see that I don't have the whole price action here, but there was a breakout here and there was some news coming. You know, once again, I know some people from this company, so I get public information, but I get it slightly earlier maybe. So I got the information here that they're gonna start to be in touch with some gaming companies, and that this is just going in the right direction, that it might be get listed soon. So to get listed, they need to get attention from the big exchanges like Binance or Kraken or whatever, and they need to show the people's interest so that they get listed. If they do get listed, it's gonna do times 10 maybe or something like this. So this is not coming yet, but the price action we're seeing for the past 2 weeks is, you know, just a good sign for this news, potential news that might be coming. So technicals are good. I think we might reach 2 quickly. It looks to me like we are in a third wave. We might, like I said, reach 2 by the end of the month or the year, something like this. For now, as long as we stay above this trend line, we are bullish, guys, and we are consolidating for the past few days. I have a feeling that there's going to be a breakout on the upside, and then it's going to keep pushing higher. Now, if you didn't buy high dollar yet, I'm not sure it's the risk reward is still that interesting, but you can just click on the link in the description of this video. Let me re-explain what is the high dollar. It's a non-profit cryptocurrency, so organization that basically is based on a referral system. So if you subscribe to this project just by clicking on the link in the description of this video, you're gonna be able to claim every day high dollars, and the more people you are referring, the more high dollars you're gonna receive if they claim it as well. So this is how it's working, and they have reached, by doing that, 1.7 million members in a few months, only like 3 months. So this is basically what is giving me the good impression about this project. It's how fast it's growing, and like I said, I know people from this project and they are very serious people. They have a very big ambition. I know they are from this industry, some of them, for a long time, so I believe in the people that are working there. So there is a big team of, I don't know, maybe 50, 100 people devoted to make it grow, and they're doing a very nice job for now. So I think it's gonna keep happening. And the news to me that was quite good here, they're gonna allow users to use their token in some games, in restaurants, in hotels. So they basically, you know, grow their ecosystem quite nicely. And this is the reason why I do believe in this project. So right now, if you want to get in, like I said, the easiest way is just to subscribe and to claim every day your tokens. But you can also here, if you go on CoinMarketCap, okay, you tap high dollar. Okay, so here you can see the price. Here you can see that 94% of the volume is traded on PancakeSwap and not Uniswap. Uniswap, the spread is too high. Don't go there. Go on PancakeSwap if you want to buy some. So to do that, you just go on high.com. Here you have many information you can read if you are interested. They explain the project. You click on go to PancakeSwap. I'm just re-explaining quickly the process, guys, if you want to get in, because, you know, 140 is still cheap for this cryptocurrency. All right, and you just arrive on this page, you select USD and high dollar here, and it's the easiest way to get some. Now there is another way to get some high dollars, is just by going on the website and clicking buy high dollars. So bam, you go here, buy high dollars. You then need to connect. So I'm not gonna do it right now, guys. I don't want everyone to get my phone number, but you sign in and you can buy high dollars. The only issue is that this is not allowed, unfortunately, for American people. This is just the law, so they're not allowed to sell cryptocurrency directly to American people. But if you do that, you can stake it for 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years and get a discounted price, discounted by 75% if you stake it for 4 years. So this is another way to buy discounted high dollars, but it's to be kept on the long term. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget guys to click on the sub, like and bell button so you're gonna be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.